What's up, my WeldTube family? Jordan Moreno here, at That Classy Diver on Instagram. We're here with the WeldTube squad in Appleton, Wisconsin at the Miller headquarters. We're gonna be fabricating a small fabrication table that anybody just getting started out can tackle at home. Let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are with Mitch Muskie of Miller Welding. He's going to tell us a little bit about this torch he wants to showcase today.
So today we're using the Miller Smith Tough Cut setup. So it's a CC torch. Great thing about the Smith torches, we got a 3-tube design, so no mixed gas up here. It only mixes in the tip to keep the torch as safe as possible. Today we're using the Miller Filter Capture 5. What's special about this fume extractor is it's got Miller's patented zone flow technology. So not only do we suck up the weld fume, but we use the filtered exhaust to make a curtain of positive air pressure. What this allows us to do is capture fume from 5 feet away.
Okay, so today we'll be using the Multimatic 255. We have Ace Taylor here to give us a little bit more information about this.
Yeah, so the Multimatic 255 is a multi-process machine, so you can do 60-10 stick, you can do 70-18, also DC TIG, but today we're going to be using our pulse feature, so for pulse MIG, and we're going to be running in the manual mode, but we got some programs saved because we're going to be doing some tacking, some fillet welds, some butt welds, different welds, so we can select those programs that we have saved.
Awesome.
Warning, read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Okay, so today we got my man Matt Arnold on the torch. He's going to be cutting out the tabletop 36 by 24 with some 32-inch legs and 33-inch cross bracing. You can see Matt's just getting his flame set here. And gonna go ahead and start making this cut. You can see he's set up a guide so we can get a nice clean cut there. Make sure to always make sure you have nothing underneath the table that can catch on fire and no flammable liquids around. So he's using that guide with a nice smooth cut. Go ahead and reposition himself there. Continue cutting. Just lay out my legs are gonna go. Okay, what I'm doing is laying my line for my legs here. They are 1.5 inches from the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some legs and tack them in. Okay, I'm just checking to make sure all my legs are square here before I go ahead and tack it up. I'm going to go ahead and put on the fume extractor. Go ahead and put a tack just on the outside corners here real quick. Check to make sure it's still square, didn't pull. All right, yeah, we're just laying out there for the cross braces. Okay, we're putting the braces in 21 inches from the bottom of the table. That's good. Putting in some button tacks here. Out some more marks for my cross bracing here. Okay, we're using the bandsaw to cut our pieces down to size here. I'm using the pulse process, 303 inches per minute with an arc length of 63. Now we're gonna go ahead and weld this sucker out. Again, Jordan Moreno here at That Classic Diver on Instagram. There you got it, a do-it-yourself fabrication table running Ultimatic 255. Ran really smooth. I'm really happy with it, so thank you.